Hi guys, welcome to Tech Bus Blogs. Myself Vinod Kumar. I'm a Java J2W developer working as an architect. Today and in this playlist we are going to target about Java, core Java basically. Okay, so what is this Java? Why people are crazy with this Java? So in our technology world we are having lot of technologies, right? Maybe Java, .NET, Python, whatever it may be. Still lot of technologies are there. But still Java is a crazy language, right? Let's see why and what is the purpose behind, what is the reason behind that. Okay, so basically what is Java and why we need the Java? So Java is a object oriented programming language. Again, Java is a platform independent. Again, Java is a open source. What is this? So what is the mean by object oriented programming language? So don't worry about it, that is one concept. Okay, object oriented programming language is a concept. It is having set of some rules and some regulations. Okay, whatever maybe you can think about it. Okay, so you can see class, object, encapsulation, polymorphs, a lot of things are inheritance. These all are fall under this object oriented programming. Okay, if you are following that concept, if you are following the inheritance, what inheritance is one of the object oriented programming concept. Okay, if you are following that, you can save the, you can use the code reusability, you can do the code reusability. It means that you no need to write again and again duplicate codes. Okay, like this, when you are using this object oriented programming language, okay, so you can reduce your coding type. What you are, when you are typing the code, you can reduce that actually. Okay, and it is providing lot of features. Okay, let's see in the further tutorials in detail. Okay, so this is what object oriented programming language. Okay, again, what is platform independent? Okay, so maybe you are having, so in computer world, right, we are having lot of platforms, right? Windows, Linux, Mac, etc, etc, right? Maybe if you are a developer, okay, you are having Windows system, okay, or you are having Mac system, you are developing on applications. Okay, basically you are having Windows system and you are developing an application. Okay, top of that you are developing an application. Tomorrow somebody want to take this project into Mac or whatever it may be, or they want to run this project into Mac. You no need to do any code changes or anything else actually. So this is supporting all the platforms. That is what it is called as a platform independent. This is not a dependent. It is not a platform dependent. This is a platform independent. So it is out of platform basically. Okay, so how that is out of platform, that is different concept. Okay, so JVM will take care of those steps, that is different concept. Let's see that in detail in the further tutorials. Okay, just understand that what is Java and why we are going with this as of now. Okay, so in this video just I'm giving the short explanation for that. Okay, again, what is open source? Again, you no need to purchase anything, you no need to pay anything. This is the open source, it's a free for cost. Okay, so that is what is called as a open source. Okay, and using this Java, basically in today's world we are having lot of applications like in enterprise, gaming, desktop, web and Android applications, right? Basically, so these all applications we can develop using this Java. Okay, so maybe if we are taking other languages, couple of languages are not providing support to for all these stuffs, right? So one application maybe support mobile and that does not support like a computer, like laptop or computer softwares, right? So but when you are using Java, you can support what is that, like computer softwares as well, the mobile softwares as well, networking softwares as well, desktop, web application, all the stuff you can do it out using Java basically. Okay, even in today's world we are crazy with the big data and cloud stuff, right? We are having a lot of big data and cloud concepts. So even there as well, people are using Java. So a lot of big data platforms based on Java, they build it out actually. Okay, so this is a very crazy feature, right? So even from the initial stage to the latest technologies and everything, you can use everywhere Java. That is really, it is great, right? So when you are the learn Java, you can go for any, you got a job for a desktop application, yeah, again I can survey it. If you got job for web application, you can survey Android application, you can survey big data, you can survey. So once you learn Java, okay, so you can survey in different development stuffs. That is the beauty of Java basically. Okay, so this is what the whole understanding of what is Java and why we need Java. Okay, so hope you understood. Let's see in the future tutorial, next tutorials. Okay, thanks for watching, bye bye.